Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies last longer. To start, always ensure your cookies are completely cool before storing them. This prevents condensation, which can make them soggy. Next, use an airtight container to keep out air, a major culprit in staleness. Also, try to store different types of cookies separately to preserve their unique textures and tastes. For an easy trick, add a slice of fresh bread to your cookie container. It helps keep soft cookies moist by absorbing excess moisture. If you're planning for longer storage, freezing is a fantastic option. Simply wrap individual cookies tightly in plastic wrap, then place them in a freezer-safe bag. They can stay fresh for up to 3 months this way. To combat staleness effectively, never store soft and crisp cookies together, as the moisture from the soft ones will affect the crisp ones. If your cookies do become a bit stale, a quick refresh in a warm oven for a few minutes can often bring them back to life. Also, layering parchment paper between cookie stacks helps prevent sticking and maintains their shape. Finally, for maximum longevity, ensure your cookies are fully baked, as underbaked cookies spoil faster due to higher moisture. Always store them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight or any heat sources. For an extra boost in freshness, some bakers find that adding a small amount of corn syrup to their cookie dough can help keep them soft and delicious for longer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.